Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus new design leaks in the first high-quality renders. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus battery details leaked, and it does not look exciting. Will Samsung upgrade Galaxy S25 Plus battery or not? The network has new details about the next Galaxy flagship. Know what's coming ahead of the launch. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series leaks and rumors are making rounds on the network, revealing several expected features and specifications. Earlier, we came across the render design for Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing minor changes. Now, the Galaxy S25 Plus battery capacity has been leaked, which may not excite buyers who are looking forward to grabbing the new Galaxy S25 series smartphone next year. Following its siblings, the S25 Ultra and Vanilla S25, today it's time for the Galaxy S25 Plus to be portrayed in the first ever leaked renders. These are CAD-based, so fine details may be inaccurate, keep that in mind, but the overall gist of the design is what we're going to get come January. And it's definitely boring. Sure, it's instantly recognizable as a Samsung, which is good for the Korean company's brand recognition. But the problem, which isn't new at all, is that it looks just like any Samsung. Maybe the flagship line shouldn't share design cues with phones costing $200. Will Samsung upgrade Galaxy S25 Plus battery? Earlier, we came across a leak which highlighted that the Samsung Galaxy S25 series may not have upgraded batteries, which means it would remain similar to the Galaxy S24 series. Now, to confirm the speculations, a Dutch publication named Galaxy Club reported that the upcoming Galaxy S25 Plus may offer a rated battery capacity of 4755 mAh, which would be marketed as a 4900 mAh battery, similar to last year's Galaxy S24 Plus model. This is not only for the Plus variant, but the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra may also feature a similar battery capacity of 4000 mAh and 5000 mAh as the predecessor. Apart from battery capacity, the charging speed may also remain the same. The Galaxy S25 Plus will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, which is due to be announced in October. Some markets may get Samsung's Exynos 2500 instead. The phone should get 12 GB of RAM and maybe even 256 GB of base storage. It's going to have the same display size as the Galaxy S24 Plus. The Galaxy S25 Plus will measure 158.4 by 75.7 by 7.3 mm, which makes it marginally less tall, less wide, and thinner than the Galaxy S24 Plus. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.